In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A17 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Begin by going into Devices Settings and tapping on Connections right away. Then select More Connection Settings at the bottom. Tap on Printing at the top and click on the Footprint service or download any service you want and use it as well. When your service is ready, click on it on the left and tap on gray switcher at the top right corner to activate it. Now wait! Your device is now looking for a printer and when it finds one, it will connect to it. If you still can't connect, don't worry, you are not the only one. You can always click on those three dots at the top right corner and tap on Add Printer. Now, most popular solution to fix it is to click Add Printer by IP address. Input it here and select Add to connect manually. But you can also click on gray switcher next to Wi-Fi Direct Printing if your printer supports this feature. If you never used it before, hit Allow and then wait for your device to find your printer. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!